Hello, this is Richard Marks with MME Consulting Services, home of awesome databases. I'm going to take about 3 minutes and talk about capturing time in TimeMatters software. Let's go take a look. First thing I'm going to do is open my control center for timers, timer control. And from here, I could simply select to start a timer, use its default description, or type in my own description, and I have a timer set. I have some options here. I can have a compact view if I want to get that out of my way. I can have always on top, and away we go. Now, I really just have a description and my timer running. So there's some better options. Let's explore in our database. From the matters list, we're Robert S. Brown, and Robert has a quick tab with his open matters. We're going to simply start typing to highlight a particular matter, and we're going to add an event form and select from an auto entry for an incoming call. Now I have an event record with a date, time, a timer running, code, the beginning of a description, staff, and filed with the matter and the contact. I can simply start making notes or add to my description, and then I have some options. Let's go ahead and minimize the form. Notice that in my timer control, I have the event record icon and that my timer has paused. So I have a setting and a customization where I can say, when I minimize a record, let's pause the timer. My original timer is still running. I've got about 1 minute and 20 seconds on that. Let's take another example. I highlight another matter. I'm going to open a to-do form. And again, I'm going to select from auto entry, and let's just do some basic case administration. Timer's running. I've coded this. It's staffed to Robert S. Brown, who's we're representing in the database, and I filed this properly. Now this time I'm going to minimize, and it actually is going to ask me, maybe I need to work somewhere else in TimeMatters, and I'm going to say no to this. And notice I now have a timer still running with the form minimized. So in this instance, I selected a customization that says, please prompt me when I minimize a record. Another example might be going to an existing matter. And what if we've already created a document as an example, and we wanted to open that document and have a setting that says, when I open a document or record in the change mode, that we start the timer. So now I'm reviewing the document, and again, at some point I may say, pause the timer while form is minimized, and I can say no to that, and I'm reviewing the document. So if we go back to our original timer, you can see that we have timer 1 here. Again, it can be paused. I have my event form, and this can start running again as soon as I bring it up. I also have a timer for my to-do. And here, I asked it to continue to run the timer. And I still have a timer running on my document. As you can see from my original timer, though, my time is up. I hope this has been instructive. Again, this is Richard Marks with MME Consulting Services, and this has been TimeMatters, capturing your time with timers.